Hey there, how are you? Thank you very much for clicking this video. My name is Lucas and I was talking with Amy earlier today about this video of three things that you can implement really easy on your website so you can start beating Miami Wiremaster Electric, which is the main competitor online when you look for electricians in Miami. Okay, here you see as the first result. Could be there really easy, but making a website because I see that website is down. I don't know if it's because you're already doing work on it, but that's perfect. If you're working on it right now, please take these tips that I'm gonna give you and implement them the best you can in order so your website would rank in Google over these guys over here, and you would get all the calls that come with it. So you may wonder why I will shoot this video for you guys. This is because I know a lot of business owners are really busy and taking care of their clients, so they don't have time to learn how to get the internet bring them more business. All right, so for that I make these free educational videos and I send them away so you can watch it, and if you like what you see, you can, a lot of people, a lot of business owners take the information and do it themselves, but some of them they contact me and they have me do that for them. Okay, so either one is all good with me. I just make this because I like to help businesses. And yeah, just if you don't mind, give me a feedback at the end of the video if you like what you see. So getting started with it, the three things are content, backlinks, and citations. Content is basically everything that is on the website, usually all the text, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and what is behind the pictures. All those things are things that the search engine can read to figure out what is your website about and what services do you offer. Usually Google likes to see about 2,000 words on websites that rank on the top. Okay, so if you check these guys, all the content, and you put in a word count right here, you see that they have about 1,300 words. Okay, that would be the thing that you want to have. You want to have about 2,000 words in order to beat them, and also that content keyword reach oriented. That means that you want to find what terms are the ones that people are looking the most regarding the services that you provide, and you want to mention those terms several times throughout your website. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Backlinks are basically the how many websites are out there mentioning your website on a link that when you click on that link, it drives all the traffic back to your site. All right. So for that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. Okay. That if I take your website here and I put it right here, all right, I can see because your website is down, but it was up at some point. So this is basically telling me how many websites out there have links that link back to empireelectric.net. Okay, so I can see that you have 57 referring domains. All right, while your competition here, where Masters Electric, had 76. The thing is that not all domains are created equal. It's not the same for Google that you're mentioning a pizza website, okay, that you're mentioning another electric company website. This is like a popularity contest, so they want to see that you're really popular on between inside of companies and websites within the same niche. Okay, so that's when you want to try to build your backlink set. So the best thing to beat them would be go here, check what domains they're ranking here, what the domains are mentioning them, and just go through every single one of them, make an account, and put a link to your website over there. All right, that way with all those 76 but these 57, you will start beating them with no problem. Last thing that I want to talk about is citations. Citations is what gets you here on top of the backpack. This is really important since it gets a lot of traffic, okay? And it's super easy, and also it's free. Citations are basically your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web. And the way you get to those directories is easy. It's just like places like Facebook, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie, Yelp, that kind of stuff, all right? And when you do, it's you check how many citations your competition has, and then let's say they have 150, so you copy the 150 that they have, plus you add another 150. So let's say they have here 200, you want to have like 3 to 350. The more the better. That way when they realize that you outrank them and they start building citations again, you do the same thing and it's very hard for them to catch up with you. So that said, a little recap is 2,000 words of content on your front page with keywords, keyword rich and keyword oriented content. Then you want to have a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing by copying the backlinks of your competition, and as well some citations. That way you would be on the very top of Google results, on the MacPack, and also on the organic. So if you like what you just heard and what I told you, please, and you want me to do it for you, please get back to me so we can talk about it. Or if you want to take this information that I just give you for free and do it yourself, but you have any questions throughout the process, please feel free to contact me and I'll help you gladly. And again, thank you very much for listening and watching this video. And I would really appreciate if you can give me a little feedback on what you think about it. Thank you very much.